This is a tutorial on how to get Google Chrome offline installer to install Google Chrome without internet on any other device. So if you are having problems downloading Google Chrome on your Windows computer and are looking for an alternate way to get Google Chrome offline installer, this video is for you. If you find this useful, give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to WM Originals for more such informative videos. Hey folks, Akhil here from WM Originals back with another quick tutorial, and today I will tell you how to download Google Chrome offline installer and then install Google Chrome on any other device without any internet. So let's start this video, but before I start, let's open Wondershare Demo Creator as that is what I am going to use to make this tutorial. Now after we have set up Demo Creator, let's open Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome on any internet connected device and then search for Google Chrome offline installer. Thereafter, click on first link to open this help page from Google. I have shared the link in description of the video, so you won't be required to do first step. Now here on this page, if you are connected with internet and want to install Google Chrome, click here to download and install. But as we want to get Google Chrome offline installer, scroll down and here you see install Chrome offline. Click on it and it opens up. Here you see options to download Google Chrome offline installer. It mentions if you are having problems downloading Google Chrome on a Windows computer, you can try the alternate link below to download Chrome on a different computer. Click on alternate Chrome installer and it opens up another page. Here you see options to download Google Chrome offline installer for Windows 10, 7, 8.1, Windows 8. Just click on download Chrome and download starts. Once download completes, you can move this file via pen drive and install it offline in any other computer. You won't require internet connection to install it. Now I will show you how to install it offline. Let's first disconnect this device from internet and you can see my device is offline now. After that, click on downloaded file to begin with installation process. You can see it is getting installed on my device which is not connected to internet. Here you see it is successfully installed. The same way you can also install Google Chrome offline on any computer. This is what I had in this video. If you find this useful, do share and like this video. Now let's move back to Demo Creator and stop recording. After this, from this editor you can trim unwanted parts or do more editings using its various tools. And once done, click on export. Give it a name, choose file resolution and change other settings. Thereafter, click on export. Once export completes, you can upload it on YouTube with hashtag start YouTube with Demo Creator. This is what I had in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.